So today I made an impulsive buy, but picked up the DJI Mini 2. We should just open it. So, and I got the whole kit. So it comes with a case, comes with a whole bunch of, it's already in the case. This box is literally empty. Like that was it. Like, it's gone. Okay. So this comes with 3 new batteries. I think it comes with what, an extra cable or something? But I was gonna get the old Mini, but this just came out like 3 months ago. And this is my first time seeing or holding a drone in years. Dang, this thing is tiny. This has the same quality that my old Phantom 3 Advanced had, and it's this small. Like, this is tiny, it's light. I'm just surprised that this can hold up to the wind. Accessories, a bit early for that. I think this was the best buy. I mean, you get a case, you get extra chargers. I got 3 batteries. Let's see what else you get. You get a brick. You get USB-C to USB-C or something. I would assume you connect to the remote. I knew I wanted the drone and I knew I wanted batteries. So instead of buying batteries separately, I mean, why not just get the bundle? I gotta download the app. I gotta charge this thing. I'm just ready to fly. It's already dark. First fly is finna be in the dark. This is the controller. I'm trying to be careful. This is a lot smaller than the old one. The old one I had was huge. I think the gray is a lot better than the old white. I have my old drone right here. Don't roast me. I crashed it. Yeah, fell from like 150 feet. It's pretty bad. This thing right here does the same thing as this. That's wild. Literally 3 times the size and half the price. This is, I don't know what this is. Oh. Okay, so this is the extra batteries because I got the kit. Has a 4K camera, I think a 1/2-inch sensor. Seems pretty legit. I'm going to charge this and we'll get out and try it. Next day, we're gonna try this. It's saying we live kind of by an airport, so I gotta be careful. I only have 9, now 10 satellites. We're just gonna try it. I'm not really too sure. Fancy, okay, unlock. I'm qualified. Okay. Oh, and there's a plane coming. Okay. That was easy. Oh, look, you can see the plane in the shot. Oh, look at it. Dang, that's crazy. So, there's quite a bit of wind today, and it's holding up pretty good for how small this thing is. And this thing now shoots in 4K. So I've had a DJI before, so I kind of know some of the controls, but it's been several years. Wow. It is kind of scary. But get the pitch down. I am, oh, it's in meters. That's okay. Oh, and that is just my luck. We had to wait until this morning to fly it because it was so cold last night and dark. And now I try and fly it this morning and it's starting to rain. But so far, I'm gonna record. Put it in 4K. But it's holding up really well. I gotta bring it back down. It's crazy. Let's go. Whoa, this thing goes down quick. This is wild. It's stable. Can you get it linked? Now, I've flown one before, so I have a little bit, but if you can see, there is a little bit of water on it. So, don't think this is waterproof, just for the fact that on the back, the SD cards and stuff stick out. But overall, this thing is, I haven't flown a drone in a couple years, 3 years, 4 years, and it's effortless, really. I mean, anyone can do it. The controls are simple, easy. The app is easy. The drone is not cheap, but for what you get, it's not expensive. It had, this has everything and more that the DJI 3 Advanced had, and that was almost twice the price. So I'm happy with it. I'll use it. And yeah, thanks for watching.